I hope I can capture this snow. It's just like beautiful out. The most beautiful. There's no wind. It's the last day of 2013. It was a very good year. Had so many fun things that we shared with our loved ones, especially Dad's birthday, and well, not his birthday, Dad and Mom's anniversary, I should say. It was their 60th this last year. Special time with Sandra and Joanne at the lake up at Brainerd, and we had some purchases this year, which we got another four-wheeler, and we got a new car, and our fifth wheel camper that we moved to Big Stone. Looking forward to a great year next year. There's one little girl that was brought into our lives. We haven't gotten to see her yet. Her name is Caitlin, and she lives in Washington, and I pray that she's taken the great trip to come to Minnesota this summer so we can have Josh's family all here with us. Thank you, God, for all you do. Happy New Year's Eve 2013.